Jamie Deen. I'm at the chicken box. Teresa's here today, and I got a salad recipe that we're going to try out. It's a taco salad, and it's got all kind of good stuff in it. It is super easy. I know that I just do the easy recipes. I got this big mixing bowl, and I've got some lettuce that's chopped. If you want to buy a bag of chopped lettuce, you can. If you want to buy you a head of iceberg lettuce, pour it, wash it, wrap it in a towel, put it in your refrigerator for a couple hours. You could chop your own. This recipe asked me to combine the lettuce with onions. Y'all know, check the .com and I'll tell you exactly what all these measurements are. I'm not the best about that. Combine lettuce, combine our fresh onion. I cut a tomato real quick. Y'all follow me? Lettuce, tomato, onion. I'm going to add ground beef to this. I'd say probably Teresa did about a pound. Okay. And I'm also going to add this pre-cut cheddar cheese. Very good. Y'all see what's happening here? Lettuce, tomato, onions, cheese, ground beef. What are we missing? A dressing. What are we going to use? Dressing. Classic Catalina. This recipe calls for a whole bottle, but I believe this is about half the recipe. So I'm under basing about half of this. I love Catalina dressing. I haven't seen it in a long time. Oh, you know what? They home. The tongue's off. And then it is a good bit of this dressing. Did I tell y'all that salad's my favorite food? It really is. I love it. Love it. Lettuce, all of it. Salad's my favorite. It's looking like a hot mess, but I tell you, it's going to be delicious. So this is what we're going to do. When you get to the point when you have all of your ingredients mixed up and you've got your dressing, you'll have a nicer bowl than this one, but this is a chicken box. So I'm going to finish it off in my little plastic box I have here. I actually have my friend Elizabeth that works down the street. I'm going to give this to her for lunch today. Now, the last thing that we're going to do here is we're going to toss in, I'm using some little sun chips today, a Fiesta sun chip. You can use any kind of chip that y'all want. If you want to get a bag of Doritos, whatever your favorite is, mash up your chips and toss them into this sack. Do that. It's going to give you flavor and texture. My wife made the best dinner the other night. What is it? It's the best thing. I can't remember what it is. This way. It was delicious, though. And the reason why it was so delicious and so unforgettable, because right at the end, she had Chinese noodles that I cracked on top, just like this. And the crunch in the body that it gives something like this, delish. Now I've got a little bit of salt. You see? Right here on the top. And with some sour cream. And if you want to hold back a couple of pieces of cheese. We ain't here to win beauty contests, y'all. We're here to eat lunch. And today, this good food is a taco salad. I'm Jamie Deen. Appreciate y'all tuning in today. I'll see y'all around the kitchen. Yep.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.